Hi guys, my name is Frank. I'm a chef but also a content creator here in the beautiful vibrant city of Melbourne. And this is my Sony ZV-1, a compact camera that I got a couple months ago, and I have to say that I really love it. One of the first reasons why I bought this camera because look how small it is. It can fit right in my palm. I can put it easily into my pocket. And I actually feel more comfortable vlogging with it outside because it's so small. People don't pay much attention to it. People don't stare at you as much as you're holding up a big cameras. This is so small and light, and basically people don't see it, and you feel more comfortable and more confident while doing it. Talking about vlogging, this camera also have a flip out screen which, as you can see, turn on a camera when you flip it out. It can rotate in so many directions, like this, go like that, or like this. When you want to check yourself if you're in focus when vlogging, because it's very important that you're in the focus with the camera or not your background or anything else. So sound recording is also important when you're vlogging, right? This camera actually comes with a pretty good built-in microphone. I have to say that you can use external mic, but for a simple setup, daily vlog, I think the built-in microphone of the ZV-1 will do a great job for you. So you cannot change lenses with this camera, but the built-in lens is really good. It's designed by Zeiss, which indicates a very good quality lens. It is a 28 to 70 millimeters lens with f at 1.8, 2.8, which will give you a very nice blurry background. There's actually a button where when you press it, it will say defocus, which means not defocus yourself. It will defocus the background, so makes it look more even blurry. So you actually more stand out and people will pay more attention to whatever you say. The Sony ZV-1 might be tiny, but it's actually huge on technologies. Just like I mentioned before, the defocus button. And you also have a button where when you press onto it, it's actually called product showcase. So when you press that button and you want to show something to your viewer, you basically put it in front of the cameras and it will instantly focus on that product. And then when you move it away, we will go back to focus onto your face. It is also have a ND filter, so when you're vlogging outside on a sunny day, everything become like white out. You can use the ND filter to actually block out a lot of the sun without have to reduce your ISO or pump up your aperture. So these cameras can record 4K videos. So if you're looking for a very small compact setup but great quality, you can actually use it. Sorry, I actually pressed the zoom button. Yes, they say it has a zoom in and zoom out, which is also very good. And it also can record slow motion, which can be a great B-roll camera. If you do like cinematic kind of looking videos, it can do that as well because it's very light, so you can go really smooth with it. The ZV-1 might be a very good vlogging camera, but it's also take decent photo as well. So I have been using it to take photos. On the day that I don't really want to carry heavy cameras, I just grab the ZV-1, put it in my pocket, and then off I go. And since you have this zoom lens that built in with the camera, so you basically can go very close to the subject or you can go in a very wide angle. So that's it, guys. That is what I usually use with my Sony ZV-1. Like I said before, I really love it, and my experience with it has been fantastic. And I think you guys will love it too.